So even though I mentioned a few things that say comes with configuring VLANs, basically we have a few benefits, some benefits for VLANs. I mentioned them already. So like I said, the first one is it limits the number of broadcasts. Basically, LANs are going to be propagating broadcast messages within its space. So if there's a broadcast message, it will be a switch or a LAN will broadcast it to people within that network. Now, if you create a VLAN, it means that only people within that VLAN addressing scheme would be receiving that particular broadcast message. It prevents people in a different VLAN from getting this information, even if they are in the same network. I mean, if I say network, the same environment, because they are not, they may be in the same network. So basically, this is more like the same network, but because they are in different VLANs, the benefit is that they will not be receiving the broadcast message. Like I said, it reduces unnecessary traffic, which is going on to your network, and it will boost the performance of your devices and enhance productivity as well. Apart from that, it provides some kind of separation between networks within your local area network or within your space. And so for that reason, it brings some kind of security. Since there's an isolation of networks, then it brings security. So VLANs, technically VLAN is also another security mechanism within your network. And so security is not just about configuring passwords and all that. This is also a security feature within networks as well.